What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. How you been doing? Today we're going to talk about this article I'm looking at. 2 top Robinhood stocks to avoid in November. Let's go over this. But first, if you're new, please subscribe. Please like. And leave a comment. First thing we're going to talk about is these 2 stocks. Talk about Dave & Buster's. You know about Dave & Buster's. It's like a indoor entertainment company. Features many arcade style games. I mean, as me, I love Dave & Buster's. But then going on the pandemic, I'm pretty sure that it's struggling. I look at their balance sheet and they've been having a hard time to really manage their debt load. And see, revenue down 85% over this year alone. Just 51 million in this period. So yeah, COVID definitely taking a toll on a lot of businesses. As you see, like I said, people are saying like have a stock long term that could end up sinking, and I guess you don't want that. They're saying D2 right here is in the top 100 stocks held on Robinhood. So yeah, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about Dave & Buster's. You think we should buy? Think we should hold? Should we sell? Number 2, talk about Royal Caribbean. Now, I actually never traveled with Royal Caribbean. I took like Carnival, but pretty good cruise line, as I know. As you know, they taking a hit. Yeah, CDC prevention. Yeah, so I'm sure they're taking a hit, as you know. I know they had some kind of test trip people can volunteer for, and I think 5 people came back with COVID, so I'm sure they're not doing so well. I think you sign up for the test trip. I'm not sure it's free or not. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna look into that. But I know they ask some people to sign up for the test runs, and anyway, yeah. Let me know what you guys think about Royal Caribbean. I own a few shares that right now. COVID is still a massive challenge. I'm sure I did see their balance sheet and got to overcome right now due to the pandemic. So until a vaccine come out, we'll see. I think I might hold Royal Caribbean. I think Dave & Buster for me might be a sell. But leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about Royal Caribbean and Dave & Buster's.